Where are you going to eat lunch?
Saan ka manananghalian?
Who is having lunch with you?
Sino ang kasama mong mananghalian?
Do you have someone to go home with this afternoon?
May kasabay ka bang uuwi mamayang hapon?
I have a lot of assignments to finish.
Marami akong asignaturang dapat tapusin.
I'll go to school early today.
Maaga akong papasok ngayon.
Are you going to ride or walk to school?
Sasakay ka ba o maglalakad papuntang paaralan?
Stuff the bread.
Lagyan mo ng palaman ang tinapay.
Eat well so you won't get hungry right away.
Kumain ka ng mabuti para hindi ka magutom agad.
I'll take a bath first before I eat.
Maliligo muna ako bago kumain.
I'll take you to school.
Ihahatid kita sa paaralan.
I'll fetch you after school.
Susunduin kita mamayang uwian.
I'll cook you something for breakfast.
Ipagluluto na kita ng agahan.
What do you like to eat?
Ano bang gusto mong kainin?
It's up to you.
Ikaw na po ang bahala.
Get up and fix your bed.
Bumangon ka na dyan at iligpit mo na ang higaan mo.
Are you going to take a bath?
Maliligo ka ba?
I am not sure.
Hindi siguro.
The water is too cold.
Masyadong malamig ang tubig.
Wake up. You have school today.
Gumising ka na. May pasok ka pa.
I'm still sleepy. Let me sleep for a few minutes more.
Antok pa ako. Hayaan mo muna akong matulog ng ilang minuto.
You need to get up and get ready for school.
Kailangan mo nang bumangon at kumilos.
I know, but I'm still sleepy.
Alam ko, pero antok pa nga ako.
I want to sleep a little bit more.
Gusto ko pang matulog ng kaunti.
Get up. I don't want you to be late.
Bumangon ka na dyan. Ayaw kong mahuli ka.